Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're paying close attention. This is a 2016 GMC Terrain. It's a super clean car. You just have to see it inside and out to see what I mean. It is a one owner. It's got about 79,000 miles on it. Let me take a walk around. You can see it's got silver exterior, alloy wheels. It is the SLE trim package. Absolutely spotless. Just amazing inside. Good maintenance history, clean Carfax, no accidents. We've had a recent mechanical inspection on it. You can see you've got tons of cargo room back here. This does have a backup camera. It does have Bluetooth on it. It does have the heated mirrors on the outside. I don't know if you can see the little emblem right there. You've got a power adjustment on your seat. Just an amazing car. Michelin tires, super nice. If you think you'd like to come see it and drive it, please call, make an appointment. My name is John, and I'm in Leavenworth.